Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Manon from Katseye with this Gabriella Look and Trust to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to immediately show you the items that you need to choose to create this outfit. Okay, wait. Start from the hairstyle guys. You only need to choose one hairstyle, this one, and then you're going to make it black. And then for the skirt or the dress, you're going to put on this dress, and you're going to make it this red color for all the selection, and then combine it with this Ella skirt. You're going to make it long, and then you're going to apply this color. And then the skirt, this is from the VIP room. For this skirt, you're going to make it red as well. And then you're going to put on the sleeves from the Madoka set and you're going to make it all red. And then this necklace, you're going to make it this brown color. And then this heels, you're going to make it red. And finally, you will have this Manon from Katseye look. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Manon from Katseye with this Gabriella look in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!